mostly clear, I can begin working on repairing my scars. This week and for many weeks to come, I will be using a derma roller to help repair my skin. Today I am using a 0.5mm derma roller with 540 titanium needles on it. As you can see, a derma roller is like a mini paint roller but with a ton of container or bowl and rubbing alcohol to disinfect your roller before and after every use, and some sort of vitamin C serum to put on your skin afterwards. Be sure to check out my website for more in-depth instructions. You can find a link down below. When derma rolling my face, I like to work section by section. I go over every section about 10 times total, going in different directions. Although derma rolling does not hurt a lot of people, it does hurt me, but the pain is really not that bad. I can handle it, but I do get teary-eyed as you will see, and a lot of redness is caused. But that's normal. Be sure to not apply too much pressure while derma rolling because you do not want to cause bleeding. For now, I derma roll about once a week just to let my skin fully heal. Once I'm done derma rolling, I take my Olhenriksen Tooth Serum Collagen Booster with vitamin C and put that in the areas that I derma rolled, and I also use this several times throughout the week on its own before I go to bed. So that is it for the first episode of Acne Scar Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next Sunday.